Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to import Soakaway and septic tank detail from AutoCAD to Revit and use it to form part of your working drawing in Revit. At the end of this video, you will learn how to import septic tank detail from AutoCAD and bring it to your Revit like I've just done now. Without wasting time, let's get started. Right now, I have an AutoCAD detail of septic tank and Soakaway, and I want to import it to Revit. All I need to do is to simply select it and type WB, then select WB block and click on this folder, icon, and it will take me to a certain folder and give it a name. Let's say Soakaway details and click save, click OK, and you can see a notification here. Okay, now go to Revit and go to Legend, right click on Legend, select New Legend and give it a name as Soakaway details. Click OK and a new page will be opened. Then in this new page that is opened, you click Insert, then Import Card, and you can see the one we have just created. Select the import unit to millimeter, and on the positioning, select manual center and click Open. And here it is. You can now place it somewhere here. And let me close this notification. And this is your septic tank. If I like, I can explode it. Let's say partial explode. After exploding it, you'll be able to edit it. Okay, this is your septic tank detail. And if you want to edit it, spend time to edit it if the need arises. Then if you want to place it on sheet, go to sheet bracket all and right click on it, select new sheet, then select the sheet you want to use. I have so many of them here. Then I select this particular one, and you can see it here. It has no name yet. I can right click on it, rename, give it a name as Soakaway details and click OK. You go to that legend we have just created, look for that legend. You can see it here. Drag it and place it on top of the panel and move this out. Then move this one up a little bit, and here is your Soakaway detail. I hope you benefit something from this video. If you do, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell so that whenever I upload videos like this, that will help you update your skill in Revit, Lumion and AutoCAD, you will be notified. And see you in the next video. Bye.